So first off, collect the things that you're going to need. Computer, something to write with, something to write on, and your visualiser. I like to use a really nice dark black pen, just so it shows up really clearly. Get yourself set up comfortably, depending on whether you're right-handed or left-handed. You'll want to do it differently, and you can rotate the camera head. Now to record. You're going to need the camera app. It'll come up with you. Just go up to the top and turn the camera round, and your visualiser image will appear. Check it's all how you want, and then press record. Talk and write as you would if you were using it in class, but you can press the pause button. It will stop recording whilst you write something, and then when you're ready to show again, you can press unpause and it will resume recording. The one thing I've seen on the good lessons that I've watched is that they give quite a bit of a lead time for the kids to pause the video just so you're not going on to the next bit. So again, I've paused and resumed to show my answers. And then this is the end of the video. So you just press stop recording. It's finished recording, and you can see down in the bottom right hand corner in your camera roll, so just like on your phone, your video is now saved to your media, done. Now we want to edit it. Video editor on your laptop, open it up, and then you're going to be able to edit the video, take out any bits you want, add in any extra bits. You just go up to the top, start a new project, and you get this blank screen. Your project library is empty, so you're going to need to add in some media. You're going to give it a name. Now, whatever name you give the file is a name that will automatically come up on YouTube. So pick something sensible. Mine goes in with my scheme of work. Called that. And now we're going to add a media file. So from my collection, just go straight to your camera roll, and then you pick the video that you've taken. So there we go, add it in. And now it's in your project library. If you've more than one video, you can add more than one video in. Drag it where you want it in the little storyboard at the bottom. And you can see now we've got our video up there. So we can edit it, we can trim it, you can chop bits off, you can split it. So you can split it up into smaller chunks and then take out chunks you don't want. You can add text. So if you want to draw attention to something, or write some instructions. The only thing I would say is change it so it's up at the top, because if you've got a child using subtitles, it will come up on the bottom of the video on YouTube. So any text up at the top, so it's not covered by subtitles. So we've now got a video, we've edited it how we want. You might want to add something else in. So in this case, I want to add in an image of the answers. I'm going to where I saved it. It's called Capture. Add it in, and it appears in the project library. Drag it to the end. Now you'll be able to see the little 3 seconds is how long it's on screen. If you click on duration, you can change how long it's on screen for. I've changed it to 7 seconds. That should give students plenty of time to pause and have a look. I'm happy now. I'm going to finish the video, export it. It'll ask you where you want to save it. So save it wherever you want to save it. Press export. It'll take a little bit of time to export it, more time depending on how long your video is. And then it will just pop up. You can see the little flashing orange square. And you'll be able to check it, make sure it's definitely what you want. I would suggest having your laptop on mute unless you want your voice shouting out at you. So I'm all done. Got my video made. Going to load it to YouTube. You're going to need a YouTube channel, which you just make by signing up with your email. Little video on the top with a plus sign to upload video. Now you can drag and drop your files, or you can select files just like if you're putting them into an email. It's no different. And so here we go. I'm going to drag and drop. And now you get all the options for how you want to set it up. So you've got a title, which you can see has just come straight from the name of my file. You can write a description if you want. You can pick what image you want to be the one that shows, and then you can add it to a playlist. Now I've got one for each of my classes, but obviously this is for CPD. So I'm going to create a new one, call it CPD, and make it public so everyone can see it. I'm just going to create that. So now you can see CPD has appeared, give it a tick. This is now in the CPD playlist. You've got to decide if it's for kids or not. Obviously, if we're making for students, for kids, because then the adverts are different. You can add advertising screens and other information. I haven't done that. Don't know how to do it. Pick whether it's private or public. I've gone with public, so it's easy for the kids. They don't have to have a specific link or anything like that. You can schedule it so they appear at different times. Or you can just go straight to publish and make it appear. So click publish. It's now uploading. And when it's finished uploading, you'll see it's appeared in your list. 3 dots at the end. Get a shareable link, which is copied to clipboard. And now you can paste it into class charts or wherever you want to. And that's it, you're now officially a YouTuber. And as they all say on the end of the videos Hannah watches, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've any questions, come and ask.